How to add a Google Calendar. So basically, if you want to add a Google Calendar, it is quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to open up your browser and go to calendar.google.com, which is its official website. Now, once you go to calendar.google.com, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. On the left hand side, on the bottom left, you can see other calendars option, and you can click on the plus icon right next to it. Now to add, you can import it, you can add from URL, browse calendars of interest, subscribe to a calendar, or you can create a new calendar. Just click on the create option and simply give your calendar a name. And you can also go ahead and choose to write its description right here. And once you've done that, you can also go ahead and choose a certain time zone, whatever else it is that you prefer. Then click on the create calendar option to be able to add your calendar. This way you'll be able to add a calendar on Google Calendar. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.